Oh, you think we're cooking inside? No. We're still cooking outside. I just didn't want you to see me crying while I was cutting onions again. So, yeah, don't worry. We're still going outside. Just give me a second. Hold on. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. It's your boy Gabe, and we're making quesadillas on my Blackstone. Yeah. I got some leftover chicken. Let's get started. So, as I mentioned earlier, inside I got all the prep stuff done. So I cut all the veggies, cut all the chicken. But this is kind of a great way to use up things like leftover chicken so that, it doesn't go to waste. But, yeah, we're going to make quesadillas. And I got other stuff inside, but cooking-wise, I just need to cook my chicken heat my chicken up and then cook my veggies. So we're going to start by cooking the veggies first. I got some oil here. I'm just going to do it on the one side. I got my griddle on already. It's been on for a few minutes. But I just got some onion, some green peppers, and some red peppers. Just keeping it simple. And we're going to hit this with a little bit of the Bayou blend because we like spice. Alright, so we've let our veggies go for a few minutes. We're going to go ahead and throw our chicken on. Again, I know it's already seasoned, but I might hit it with just a little bit of the Bayou. Not a lot, just a little bit. Okay, we're going to go ahead and combine everything. Okay, we're going to hit the other side of our grill with the rest of our oil. Okay, now this next part's going to go kind of quick because we don't want our tortillas to burn. So we're going to throw our tortillas on and then our cheese on top, which I just got some Mexican style blend cheese. And then we'll throw our veggies and chicken on and we'll have some quesadillas. Alright, so we are inside. So, I'm just going to try these with some sauces. I got, obviously, Taco Bell hot sauce. Got some chow chow. And then I got some of the other sauces that I've tried out. And then I got a new one, which is Carolina Tangy. Probably a Carolina barbecue. But we're going to eat some quesadillas. So I'm going to cut this into fours. Probably should get a plate. So, you know what? Since we kind of know what these taste like, we're going to try the Carolina first. Put a little bit right here. Smells good. Cheers. That's pretty good. Definitely a little more tangier than a typical Carolina barbecue, but that's good stuff. I like this one, though, because a lot of other Carolina sauces are a little more honey mustard-y, and this one's a little more enjoyable because it's not so sweet, because it's got a little bit more vinegar to it. I like this. This is good stuff. I give this an A+. That's good. That'd make a really good, cowboy barbecue-style chicken sandwich or something. Oh, yeah, that sounds good. And, of course, you can't have a quesadilla without some salsa, at least. And yes, I know, sour cream. Maybe. There we go. But I am not a fan, so, and try it on your own time with sour cream. But I don't like sour cream, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I know I just broke a lot of hearts. I'm sorry. I still love you. Man, this is really good. I like how nice and crispy these got. Well, not burning, because honestly, I thought a few of them were going to burn. I got really scared, but this is good stuff. Well, there you have it, guys. Quesadillas on the Blackstone. If you like this video, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what I should make next. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification button next to it. And as always, guys, peace out.